Hey, this is Chris with ORB Traders. Just bringing a quick trade plan for Tuesday, September. I'm living in the past. September 2nd. Today we just had half a day, and we did find some support on that fib zone. Going back to Jackson Hole, we saw the low to high there, hold at 61 overnight. We saw the London session take the lows of the Asian session and then climb back up. Had a few breakers on the 5 minute today, and I've already plotted the levels for our prior day open, prior day high and low, current week low, last week's high, etc. So I'm going to share this chart, and I'm not going to make this video that long, but just note the poor structure above. That's on the ES and on the NQ. So just keep those levels in mind as you go into Tuesday. And we'll just do the normal strategy. Wait for that 15-minute opening range. Look for confirmation using our internals. VIX for the ES, and then the VXN for the NASDAQ, and also get confirmation off the tick, whether it's above or below the zero line. But here's my levels. Just go really quickly. So I didn't mark this, but I did mark this, but I didn't put this on here. But prior day high for Labor Day is up at 506.75. The low of the day is at 23,441 and 3/4. And then there was some 5 minute fair value gaps. That's what these are indicating. Below us, of course, we're still in this whole fib zone down here. If you wanted to color this in, feel free. Otherwise, just be aware that this level does exist. And the targets above, if this holds, are at 758. So a couple hundred points above us. We could certainly get there. We'd want to break above the Labor Day high, and this is an estimation where the SPX is going to land. But this block that we dropped down on the 29th, so last Friday, we want to get above that. Of course, clear your levels as you go. Take out one, get confirmation by a close above, then take out another one, get confirmation by a close above while those internals are dropping. Otherwise, we could continue to come down lower. If this fails, we've got a low. This is not last week's low. This is actually back on the 20th, so a couple weeks back. So just keep that in mind. I'm just going to mark this as some support down here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll share the chart out. If you are new to the Discord, I'll be on YouTube streaming, calling out my trades, showing the executions, and I'll go at least the first hour of the market open. Beyond that, switching over to my IT remote job. So I may come back and forth, just depends. I mean, my trading station and my IT station, they're on the same desk, so it's pretty easy to swap back and forth, but I've got to stay focused and provide the committed time that I agree to my W-2. I want to fulfill that obligation for sure. So running two jobs, obviously it would be nice to just have just trading and focus on trading, but I can't complain with two incomes at all. I hope you guys understand that. So sorry if you were wanting me to be on the mic longer. That's just not going to work out for me yet. Maybe in the future, but we'll see. Also, just keep in mind, if you look at Friday's high to low, we did hit inside that fib. If this level does not break, the targets below us are at 23,330s. So I'll take this on and off, and we'll just see how price reacts. But that's pretty much all I got. I'll go ahead and share out these levels here, and hope to see you guys on the stream or in the Discord. And happy Labor Day, happy September. Let's go after it. This month we've got a lot of good things going on in terms of news. I can actually just pull up before we go. Let's just pull this up really quick to get a quick idea of what this week looks like. Going into Tuesday, ISM PMI 30 minutes in. We also have JOLTS 30 minutes in on Wednesday, and then Thursday, hour beforehand, we got unemployment claims, and then I guess before that you got non-farm, and then ISM services PMI 30 minutes in, and then Friday unemployment change, non-farm we've got that an hour beforehand. So if you're looking for the data straddle, you have some opportunities, some red events. You could try to straddle some of these 6:30 prints. Those are usually what I'm looking at. But if you want to go for the 8 a.m.s, that's possible too. I would just rather myself go for the pre-market ones. So, and then the week after that, you got PPI and CPI. Those should bring definitely some volatility the hour beforehand. So I will for sure be doing the straddles on some evals on the 10th and the 11th. And then we have FOMC economic projections. So if you go into FOMC countdown, I can't even spell. I'll just type this in. Fed watch. 15 days out. So 2 weeks out, and then we have a change in the rates, which I think a lot of us are expecting to go lower. We can also just look here and just check the probabilities. 89%. So this is going up higher. I think last week was 85. So I would expect a rate cut this month. And I saw Trump is saying, national housing emergency or crisis. Who knows? Maybe some other things happen to help out first-time home buyers or something. I don't know. We'll just see what happens. But that's my spiel for tomorrow, and here's my levels. So I will share these out and hope to see you guys tomorrow. Take care.